What is happening, guys? Mike here, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having a good and happy Sunday. I just wanted to do a real quick video here talking about some watches that were actually requested for me to look at by you guys. You see, a while back, a couple of times actually, I reviewed a brand of wooden watches called Yode. And I got some good feedback from you guys on there, but some of you guys were like, I'd love to get a wooden watch, but I really just can't afford one of those, which I can totally relate to, believe me. What I've actually done here is I've just looked around for a brand to show you guys for those that want a more affordable option of wooden watches, and I've actually found one here, and I thought I'd just film a quick video up and show you guys these wooden watches. Now what we have here is a brand called Wonbee watches, and what first caught my eye besides the price, which you'll find that they're much cheaper actually, which I'm hoping will sit well with you guys, but they also are made really well. They're sustainably sourced and they're hand sanded and polished. Handcrafted quality products, just like we see with homebrewed hair products, is something that really speaks to me. So I thought it was really a no-brainer just to pick up a couple of these and bring them to you guys here on the channel. I'm hoping that you guys see the value in these as much as I do, so let me give you guys a closer look so you can see what I'm talking about here. I really hope I'm not butchering these names, but this is the Rocosium and Arab Tune models from the Wonbee watch line. Each of these watches were made with sustainably sourced wood from Africa and hand-shaped and polished. They're also protected and sealed for everyday wear, including splash proofing, and they're fitted with high quality materials that keep the watch going against wear and tear. Now to me, these look awesome and they're polished up so nice that they feel really good on the wrist. So I thought for those of you looking for this type of look, this would totally fit the bill. There's absolutely a multitude of looks that these look great in. Dressed up, casual wear, even t-shirts. I think it works well with it all. Now for the entire video, I've been speaking about this good price that these watches are at, and so these watches actually run for about 80 bucks, which I think is really reasonable. I also actually have a 15% off code that I got here from the brand that's not paid out to me or anything like that. I just got it from the brand for you guys. I'll be putting it in the description along with links so you can find these watches and the rest of the line. They actually have quite a few different ones on their website, so all of that will be in the description for you guys to check out. Again, I just wanted to put this video together real quick. This was more for you guys than me. I'm not getting anything out of this. I was more or less just wanting to help you guys out. Watches like this are ones you mainly buy for the look and the different look that it gives off versus the regular, metal band or leather strapped watches. I think they are really well made and they have a lightweight feel to them, so it just gives off a comfortable and professional handmade look. Either way, I just wanted to throw that out there to you guys. Anytime I find something I think you guys might like or you might ask me to look for, I like to bring that to you if I can. Now, if you liked this video or found it helpful, make sure you hit that thumbs up for me. That really helps me out a lot. I appreciate you guys doing that. I also want to remind you to subscribe to the channel, especially now, because here shortly I have some awesome videos coming out, including a first look at the new Enigma from the Lockharts. I actually have that in my hair right now. I've been running tests on it all week. If you've been paying attention to my Instagram, you'll see some little sneak peeks there in my stories. I also, this coming week, will have a brand new episode of Behind the Brew coming out. You don't want to miss that, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications so you can get the notice when those go up. And with that, I will close this week of content out with a big thank you for stopping by the channel today. I'll be back with you guys again very soon. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.